Hi everyone, welcome to the world of 3D printing. In this video, I will explain you about 3D printing for jewelry, how it works and how you can boost your jewelry factory with our 3D printer. This is Bulunmaz 3D printer. It comes with the selected casting resin for different applications. A 3D printer is actually very similar to a paper printer in your office. It just prints not once but many layers on each other. Your printer gets the data from the design file and gives a special light on each layer each time. The layers can be in different thicknesses. The thinner layer, the printing quality gets better. When the resin material is cured with light, it freezes on each layer. When all the layers of your design file is completed, your print is finished. When your print is completed, you still have a few things to do before the casting process. You need to take out the printing table first. You will see that all your products are printed but still some resin liquid on it. You will see that all your products are printed but still some extra resin material on it. Make sure that you pour back the extra material inside the printed tank as much as possible. After that, you can take out your printed resin models with the help of a spatula. After this operation, you will need to do some post-printing process. This process includes washing, drying and curing. You can do that with your own setup or you can use Bulunmaz washing station. If you want to learn more about post-printing process and our all-in-one washing station, have a look at our video here. I just put the link and one more link in the descriptions below. When you are buying a 3D printer, the most important things are print size, the speed and the print quality. Currently, we have two models of Bulunmaz 3D printer. The most popular one comes with a print area of 22 by 12 centimeters. Our bigger model has a bigger printing area. That one offers 30 by 17 centimeters, which is pretty big for especially bulk manufacturers. Bulunmaz 3D printers come with a 14K screen resolution, which is pretty high and gives you a very high print quality. But don't forget, we are an R&D focused company, which means our technology is upgrading every day. So when you are watching this video in the future, we may be upgraded from 14K already. Is it easy to use Bulunmaz 3D printer? After making your jewelry designs or supplying them from your designer, all you need to do is uploading them to Bulunmaz Slicer software. The software comes totally free when you purchase your 3D printer. You need to add your supports to your jewelry design here. Our software will help you to choose the best support points and the optimum thickness for a good printing and casting result. You can also decide your layer thickness and other layer settings here. When you are done with that important process, you will end up with your STL file and need to take that file into a USB stick. After you upload your file to your 3D printer, you just choose that file and start printing. You have probably noticed that we have different type of casting resins. Currently, we offer 4 different type of resins to our customers. Bali. The green resin will give you the best surface finishing. If you especially have big flat spaces on your jewelry, use Bali. Fred. The black resin is designed for stone setting jewelry. That resin will give you the minimum shrinkage, which is very important on stone casting. Tokyo. The red resin offers you the maximum details for the fusion jewelry, also known as filigree jewelry. And Rio. The yellow resin comes with over 90% wax ratio and offers flexible printing. If you are a professional, you can choose Rio. If you are new to 3D printing, don't hesitate to contact our experienced staff. It's not only a machine purchase, we will guide you the entire process. We have many customers who has started 3D printing first time with us and already boosted their production with this new technology. In the next video, I will give you information about print size, print capacity and the speed of Bulunmaz 3D printer. Click here and watch that video to understand how fast you can print and boost your production with us.